Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your channel name on your YouTube channel. So if you're wondering how to do that, I'm going to do that in this video today. Okay, so let's jump right in. Okay, to change your channel name, it's very easy. Just go to your profile icon up here. Make sure you're signed into the account that you want to change the name of. This is just an account I use for teaching, so it doesn't have any subscribers or anything. You go down and click on View Your Channel. So you're in your profile icon, View Your Channel, click on that. Then it'll open up your channel. Then from here, you will go to Customize Channel. So we're in this tab right here. We're on your homepage for your YouTube channel, and then you go to Customize Channel. And then once you're in here, you can do align. You can go down, scroll down, make sure you're in the Profile tab, not the Home tab, not this tab. So if you see this, you want to click on Profile tab, scroll down below Banner Image Picture, and then you'll see Name. And I want you to take a note of this. You can change your name twice in 14 days. So if you change it more than twice, it will not let you do it again for 14 days, for 2 weeks. And so you can change it to whatever you want, align for more spiritually or something. And then I can click up here and hit publish. So once I hit publish, it'll change my channel name. And then I can go to view channel. And then we can now see that aligned for more. Oh, it's not changed yet. Hold on, let's wait a second for it to process the change. Align for more spiritually. Now notice it doesn't change your @ location. So how people type your name into here to find you, it doesn't change that. So if you want to change that, you need to edit that as well. But let me go back because I want to go back into Customize Channel because I don't want it to be aligned for more spiritually. I just want it to be aligned for more. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to change this again. So you go to the Profile tab and you change it however you want it. Now this is the second time I'm changing it, so I can't do it again now for 14 weeks. So I'm going to hit publish because I want it to be aligned for more only. And then you can also choose your unique handle name by adding letters and numbers. You can change your handle back within 14 days. Handles can be changed twice every 14 days. So it's the same thing. So if you change this name, you might want to change your handle name. I have the leftover when I signed up for this channel, E7F. You can change that right away. Things you have to do in order to change it. For example, you have to have a certain amount of subscribers, or you just need to have a profile icon loaded. And I do have a profile icon loaded. So I can go here and just say align for more. And then it says check. No one else has that name. And now this is what it will show up on YouTube. So people don't have to enter F75Z, FZ, whatever. And then I hit publish. And so now it looks like in a more official website because it's aligned for more. The name of the channel is aligned for more. And so it all seems much more cohesive now by doing that. So then I can go to view channel again, and I can see that now my channel says align for more, and it also is at align for more for the web address for this homepage of my channel. So I think that's really important to have those two things aligned. No pun intended. But yeah, to create a very cohesive, professional looking YouTube channel. So there you go. That's how you change your name, and you can do it twice in 14 days. But after that, now it's locked. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions about YouTube and you want me to make a video tutorial on it, let me know in the comments below what tutorial you want to see from me next. Thanks, you guys. Have a great day.